All right, so I used 15 ounces of pumpkin puree and then 12 ounces of milk chocolate chips. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab some pumpkin pie spice, and this is all in my crock pot. We are making something super yummy and delicious. I'm just gonna add a nice little sprinkle of this pumpkin pie spice right in there. You can use as little or as much as you like. This is gonna be so good, you guys. Okay, let's give this a nice little toss in our crock pot so that pumpkin spice seasoning gets all over those chips and that pumpkin puree. Oh my, smells so good already. I love anything pumpkin spice. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab some condensed milk, and we are gonna just do a nice little squeeze of our condensed milk right in there. It doesn't need to be too much. This is just gonna help make our dessert sweet. Okay, we're gonna do about 1/4 a cup. This is super thin, so it looks like it's more than it actually is. All right, now I have here some heavy whipping cream, and this is 16 ounces, which is the exact amount we need for this recipe. And we're gonna pour this entire bottle right on top of our pumpkin and chocolate chips. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good, you guys. Okay, once we have our heavy whipping cream in there, we are gonna grab some whole milk, and we are gonna need specific measurements for this. We need 6 cups of whole milk, so I have a 4-cup measuring cup, so we're gonna do 1 whole cup, just like that. Put that 4 cups in there. Ooh, it's getting to be a fun orange color. Now we're gonna add 2 more cups of whole milk, and you can use whatever milk you like. You can use almond milk, oat milk. You can skip the heavy whipping cream. I just like the heavy whipping cream because it makes it nice and creamy, but it is totally optional. We're almost done here, you guys. We are making a pumpkin spice hot cocoa.
What?
It's so good, you guys. And if you're making it for an adult party, you could spike it with some Baileys. If you want to make a pumpkin spice latte, you can add some espresso shots in there. But our last ingredient before we get this thing cooking is some dark cocoa powder. And we're gonna add 1/3 cup of dark cocoa. Okay, let's just do it the hard way, you guys. Sorry. It's okay, some get already in there because the more chocolate, the better. And you could use white chocolate cocoa if that's your style, but I really wanted like that pumpkin spice chocolate flavor because it's so good. All right, go ahead and kind of toss that cocoa powder in there. It might want to sit on the top, but we won't let it. This is gonna be really good, you guys. That pumpkin puree is just gonna, dissolve in that milk, and then we have that pumpkin spice flavor. You guys are really gonna like this, and it's just the best fall treat. Great for, a Halloween party or a back to school party, whatever you wanna make it for. It's just great year round, to be honest.
Yeah, you can make this every night if you
want. All right, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and grab our lid, put it right on top, and we're gonna put this on high. Just keep an eye on it because we are gonna stir it occasionally while it's cooking up. All right, you guys, it's been an hour and a half. We're gonna go ahead and put our crock pot on warm so we can keep our hot chocolate nice and warm. But let's go ahead and check this out. Ooh, it looks like the perfect consistency, you guys. Oh my, that pumpkin dissolved, the chocolate chips dissolved, condensed milk. This is about to be so yummy. I have my cute little hot chocolate cup here. So we're gonna go ahead and get our ladle and fill it up so we can give this a taste. Oh my, I'm so excited. It smells so good. This made my whole house smell like pumpkin spice. It was incredible. Okay, just a little bit more.
Dang, this is so good for a party.
Yeah, for like a Halloween party or any kind of party. You can make it any flavor you want too. So of course, you have to do a little bit of Ready Whip with your hot chocolate. My dogs are gonna freak out when they hear this, so excuse them in advance.
Never fails.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna do a little pumpkin spice right on top. Oh, that was a lot, but you know what? I love pumpkin spice, so that's not gonna hurt. Oh my, look how cute. Okay, gotta try this.